While I was designing research, it occurred to me that it would be nearly impossible not to be biased. So I tried to look at things in terms of while I was creating survey questions, interview questions, observation, and even looking through documents and analyzing them, what are the areas that I would want to explore? And those were really primarily looking and comparing schools, defining high quality instruction through looking at curriculum and standards based instruction. What is the space like, the facilities? What do stakeholders consider highly qualified teachers, and what are the course offerings? And remember, it wasn't based on my opinion, it was based on what stakeholders think. So I would have to present this information to people who are being surveyed and ask them, of these things, what do you deem the most important or critical component of high quality arts instruction? Then throughout, I would encounter obstacles or consider obstacles to present and ask questions about from stakeholders to see how those were impacting the arts programs at their respective school sites.